G'day, it's Glenn from Wurth, and today I'm talking about clamps. Now, our quick action lever clamp. Class leading in the market, in my opinion. Fantastic product, all solid steel, and of course, quick lever action. Two fantastic contact points, so large contact points, and the bottom plate has a swivel. Comes in 5 sizes, 160, 200, 250, 300 and 400. Sort of tool that every trade in every division should have in their kit bag. I'd like to give you a demo. Okay, we're going to clamp this piece of timber to this bench. What I want to show you is how the two contact points work and the fine tooth ratchet system. Clamping capacity, fantastic. Now here I'll show you the smaller clamp in the range, the 160. And you see that what the 11 teeth do in the ratchet system is adjust the tightness, the clamping capacity. As you see, we can go a little bit tighter if we want. And then of course the beauty of these clamps is the quick release. So there's our quick action lever clamp. Don't forget, comes in 5 sizes, very heavy duty, solid steel, nice and light, very easy to use. If you've got any questions, please leave in our comments and don't forget to like our page. Quick action steel clamps, ready for work.